Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your site's component library into Bit.dev, complete guide step by step clearly. To transfer your site's component library into Bit.dev, start by setting up your Bit.dev account. Navigate to the Bit.dev website and sign up for a new account if you don't have one. Once your account is created, log in and access the dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Get Started button to create a new collection. Name your collection appropriately based on your component library. Next, install the Bit CLI on your local machine if you haven't done so already. Open your terminal and run the command npm install bitbin global. After installation, navigate to your project's root directory using the terminal. Initialize Bit in your project by executing the command bit init. You should now see a new folder named .bitmap created in your project directory. Next, you will need to add individual components to Bit. If you are using React, first locate the components you want to transfer. For each component, run the command bit add src/components/yourcomponent.jsx. Repeat this step for all the individual components you wish to add to Bit. Once all components are added, you must tag them for version control. Use the command bit tag all 1.0.0 to tag all components with the initial version. Next, you will need to export your components to Bit.dev. Run the command bit export your username.collection name to complete the export process. After the export is successful, go back to your Bit.dev dashboard. Here, you will see all your components listed in the collection you created. To make your components reusable, configure their settings on Bit.dev. You can customize props, documentation, and visual placeholders for better usability. Next, ensure your components are properly tested before sharing them. Implement any necessary testing frameworks to validate your components. Once satisfied, consider making your collection public or keeping it private as per your needs. Finally, share the component library with your team or the open source community. Visit the homepage of Bit.dev to explore more features and enhance your component library further. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your site's component library into Bit.dev. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.